Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Begin by brushing and flossing, then measure 20 ml of mint mouthwash to the cup's fill line. Do not dilute. Stand over a sink, tilt your head slightly forward, and hold the liquid in your mouth without breathing through it. This preparation removes debris and positions the liquid for full coverage, and it primes your breath for the one correct technique you will follow for the only way to use mouthwash. Start swishing vigorously for 30 seconds, moving liquid around all teeth, gums, and the tongue to reach plaque and bacteria. Keep lips sealed to avoid splashing. After 30 seconds, tilt your head back and gargle for 10 seconds to disinfect the throat area. Lean over the sink and spit completely. Never swallow mouthwash. This sequence, 30 seconds swish, 10 seconds gargle, full spit, is the only way to ensure maximum mint mouthwash effectiveness. After spitting, wait 30 minutes before eating or drinking so fluoride and antiseptics can work. This delay preserves the benefit of rinsing. Store mouthwash out of reach of children and never allow unsupervised use for kids under 6 years old. Supervise older children to prevent swallowing. If someone swallows more than 15 ml, contact a poison control center or seek medical attention. Avoid using mouthwash as a medicine and follow the product label for safe daily use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.